Hi, I'm standing here at the base of North Main Street, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all of the places that are under threat of demolition right now, just so you can get an idea of the scope and scale of that demolition. Here's the waterfront, and here is what used to be Liberty Square. I guess it's still Liberty Square. This was vacant for about 15 years and has finally just been started to have some construction on it. And starting right here with the Taco Shack, that would be demolished, including the Dorothy, a building that I think is lovely. This older building, it has the Palateria, which is excellent ice cream. Yep, all of this, still one building, all of this demolished. Just going to give a shout out to Burger Hardware. I think they're a great local hardware store. I like being able to shop at a hardware store downtown. Okay, now I can stop here. Okay. This is the old Embassy Theater, which I think we can all agree is derelict. So just an FYI, I think no one is saying that there should be no development in Portchester. People are just saying that there should be reasonable development. So again, this is a pretty long way to walk. It would just be one building, and as a third demolition site after the Ivy development and the Terry Lighthouse project, that would leave really gaping holes in Portchester's downtown. So I'm just gonna show you that this goes all the way to Highland Street. Okay, this is still just me walking along. And then I'm just gonna turn, and this whole block, where I'll start over again, would also be demolished for Terry Lighthouse. So starting over again at Terry Lighthouse project, just so you can sort of feel for yourself what it would be like walking past this if it was all just one gigantic building.